Our DNA is like an instruction manual, guiding how our bodies develop and function. But sometimes, changes in our genes can lead to disorders that affect our health. Today, we'll explore 2 genetic conditions that highlight how our genes shape our lives. Let's start with cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder that affects the lungs and digestive system. It's caused by mutations in the CFTR gene, which helps regulate the movement of salt and water in our cells. In people with cystic fibrosis, this gene doesn't work properly, leading to thick, sticky mucus that clogs the lungs and makes it hard to breathe. Cystic fibrosis is inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern, meaning a person needs to inherit 2 faulty copies of the CFTR gene, one from each parent, to develop the disease. Thanks to advances in medicine, treatments have improved, helping many people with cystic fibrosis live longer, healthier lives. Now let's look at Huntington's disease, a disorder that affects the brain. Unlike cystic fibrosis, this condition is caused by a dominant gene mutation, meaning just one altered copy of the gene can cause the disease. The culprit is the HTT gene, which contains a repeating DNA sequence. When this sequence is abnormally long, it causes the gradual breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. Symptoms usually appear in adulthood, affecting movement, thinking, and emotions. Unfortunately, there is no cure, but researchers are working on treatments to slow its progression. Genetic disorders like these teach us how vital our DNA is to our health. With ongoing research and advances in gene therapy, we are getting closer to understanding and treating these conditions. Want to learn more about how genetics shapes our world? Subscribe and stay tuned for more science insights.